How to add Facebook or Instagram page to Amazon Affiliate. Here's how to link your social media pages to your Amazon Associates account so you can start promoting products there. Step 1. Log into Amazon Associates. Go to affiliate-program.amazon.com and sign in with your Amazon account. Step 2. Go to your account settings. Once you're logged in, click your email address in the top right corner and select Account Settings. Step 3. Under the Account Information section, click Edit your website and mobile app list. Step 4. Add your Facebook or Instagram link. Paste the full link to your Facebook page or Instagram profile in the input box. Step 5. Click Add and Save Changes. Once added, hit Add and then Save to confirm. Your social media page is now listed as a traffic source for your affiliate links. Just a little heads up, make sure your pages are public, active, and clearly show how you're using Amazon links. Amazon reviews your content to make sure it follows their rules. I hope this video helped you. If it did, feel free to like and subscribe. It really supports the channel. And if you've got a question, just drop it in the comments.